everyone, it's Leona with Leona's Designs. I'm here in my kitchen just cleaning up, getting things ready so I can do some slow stitching. I just watched Catherine's video for week 28 and it's about Zokin. I hope I'm saying that right. Zokin is a Japanese cleaning cloth, and Catherine was working on stitching cleaning cloths or household cloths that you could use in your kitchen or anywhere to clean in your house. And I thought, wow, great idea. I could replace this. This is something I bought at Walmart and I use it to clean my kitchen counters and things, but it's not very absorbent. So I thought, I'm going to try making one out of some of my cloth scraps and see how that goes. So I'm going to finish cleaning here in my kitchen, and then I'm going to go to my art desk and I'll see you there and we'll work on a zoken. Okay, I'm at my art table. I'm at a different art table in my art room, and I thought I'd try filming here and see if it might make a better video than my other smaller table. So I found this piece of material that was gifted to me, and it's just cotton with little tiny squares, I guess gingham, and I thought I might cut this up and make a zoken for my journal, and then if I like how it turns out, I would use the rest of this to make maybe a couple of cloths to use in my kitchen as cleaning cloths. So let's see, I don't want to make it too big because it's got to fit in my journal. But what Catherine did was she folded it like 3 times, and then she folded it up and then folded again. So I guess if I cut a piece, cut a rectangle maybe, excuse me, about this size, it would probably fit in my journal. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do. And we'll open it up and fold it a little bit better. So I was kind of at first not too excited about this, but then after I started thinking about it, I'm like, well, yeah, this would be great because I'll always need cleaning cloths, and why go buy them at the store if you can make them at home out of your scraps? So I'm just folding it 3 ways, and then I'm folding it again, and that actually might be enough. This would fit in my journal, and for a cleaning cloth it would make a nice size cleaning cloth. I didn't bring my ruler over here. Let me get my ruler. Okay, it's like 5.5 by 4, which will fit perfectly in my journal. I guess if I was making a cleaning cloth, I would make it a little bigger. But now we just need to stitch. And what Catherine did, she just made running stitches all around and all through. So I'm going to use this cotton thread that I got at a yard sale. Oops. And see how that works. I am going to use my needle threader because this thread usually is a little difficult to thread through the eye of the needle, for me anyway. And we'll get started stitching. Haven't been stitching for a few days. It's been such beautiful weather. I've been outside enjoying it. So I'm anxious to get back into doing something in my art room. Guess I just gotta make sure this piece stays inside. Didn't bring any pins over here. Let's see if I can reach one. Okay. I'm gonna pin that down. So you're actually, well, I am actually stitching through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 layers of cloth. So I would say you probably want to have some thin cotton that you're using. Just trying to line it up. And then I'm just gonna stitch all the way around with a running stitch. Catching all those layers. Oops. I probably should have pressed it down first. Probably would have worked better. But we'll keep going. And I'm just going to go all the way around, and then I will be back. Okay, I've stitched all the way around, and I like the way it feels. It's nice and cushiony feeling. I think it would make a good cleaning cloth. I'm actually thinking of keeping this one and using it in the kitchen and making another one for my journal, but we'll see. So now I went all the way around the outside. I'm going to do another running stitch all the way around, just to make sure that I've got it securely, all 6 layers stitched together, because this side was the side with all the edge pieces, and I think some of them were shorter than the others. So I'm just going to go back down this side again. And just do some excuse me, running stitches. I'm just trying to go in a straight line on these little red squares. Using them as my guide. Not that you need to, but just thought it would be a good idea since it's easy to do. And then we will stitch through the middle also. What Catherine did, she stitched from corner to corner, and then did some more stitching to make like little diamond shapes. That looked really cool. almost down to the bottom. I'm just going to continue until I have to change thread. So I'm just going to continue going all the way around again, and then I'll be back and maybe stitch corner to corner. Okay, so I've stitched twice all around the edges, and now I'm going to start stitching across to the corner and then across to this corner, and hopefully I can stitch straight. Got a little wonky here on the ends, wasn't paying attention. Got a little wonkiness going on there, but it happened on both edges, so I guess it looks okay. And really, it's just going to be used for a cleaning cloth, so not trying to make it beautiful, but I do try to keep my stitches even if I can, just because it's good practice. I think I should be making smaller stitches though. These stitches that I've done are pretty long, and I think Catherine was talking about sashiko stitches because it is a Japanese cleaning cloth, so they probably use sashiko stitches, which are usually, I think, very small. So just something to think about. But it's really enjoyable to just stitch through all these layers. The fabric feels really nice. And I did get almost even with this corner. Got a little wonky at the end. And now I am going to tie my thread off and go and stitch across to here. Okay, I finished. I just stitched all over. I stitched 2 times around the edge, stitched across to each corner, and then I stitched 3 stitches across. So it's got like a pattern of little diamonds, and it feels really good. I think it would make a good coaster or a good pot holder. I'm not sure how much of a cleaning cloth it would make, but I'm going to test it out. I feel if I'm making this as a cleaning cloth, then I should try it out to make sure that it will work. Maybe 6 layers is too much. I think Catherine used 3, maybe 4. So I'm going to try it out, and I can always, if I get it wet, I can always dry it and put it in my journal. But let's go to the kitchen and try it out. Okay, so here we are in the kitchen. I'm going to wet this and kind of just see how it wipes on the counter. So let's see. Oh, it absorbs nice. It absorbs nice. I think it would wipe just really good, just as well as something like this. It is a little thick, so I think the next time when I make one, I'll make it a little thinner. And of course a little bigger. But these would make nice cloths for gifts, I think, for Christmas. I might make some, get some pretty cotton cloths and just stitch some up for my granddaughters and my daughter to use in their kitchen. I think it would make a nice handmade Christmas gift. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Hope you were inspired to maybe make your own little Zokin cloths. And I hope to see you again for my next video. If you're not subscribed, I encourage you to subscribe. I'm going to do more videos. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.